Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a blueberry marshmallow smoothie. This is really tasty and so simple. So, let's get started. Alright, get your blender, put in 1 banana, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of blueberries, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, an animal from 1 to 2 cups of marshmallows. I must use the multicolor, so you can use white if you want. I'm going to use multicolor because it looks pretty. Now put this on a high for about 60 seconds. Yeah. Well, I'm going to try my recipe for blueberry marshmallow smoothie, as you can see. Oh, look at the color. Give it a taste. Best smoothie ever. Guaranteed. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.